সবেমাত্র শেষ হয়েছে টিটিএফ এর উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠান। তারপরেই সামনে এসে দাঁড়ালেন শ্রীলঙ্কার ট্রাভেল ওয়াইন হলিডের ম্যানেজিং ডাইরেক্টর শ্রীলঙ্কা ট্যুরিজমের কুমার সিতাম্বারাম। তিনি নিজেই সাক্ষাৎকার দিতে প্রস্তুত হলেন। তিনি জানালেন শ্রীলঙ্কার ট্যুরিজম ভারতের সহায়তায় যেভাবে এগিয়ে চলেছে তা সত্যি আশাব্যঞ্জক, এবং শ্রীলঙ্কা মনে করে ভারতের সহায়তা নিয়ে তারা আরও এগিয়ে যাবে, এবং টিটিএফ এমন একটা জায়গায় তাদের পৌঁছে দিচ্ছে যেটা তাদের সত্যিই সহায়ক হয়ে উঠছে। আমরা তার মধ্যেই শুনে নিই তিনি কী বললেন।
My name is Kumar Sidambaram, the director of the Travel Win Holidays, the president for Sri Lanka Tourism at the moment.
This is the first time TTF?
No, this is not the first time. Like Sri Lanka is being participating for like last ages, nearly from 2012 onwards, like participating in all the TTF and OTF and SATE. And I think the Calcutta is after a long time after the COVID is the first time they come down with the 27 delegates have come. So it's a good opportunity to market Calcutta, Bengal people to travel Sri Lanka. Actually, like now, as you're fully aware about like after the COVID, and also we had recession in 2022 in Sri Lanka. Immediately the Indian government is fully supported for the economic redevelopment and fully supported giving like all the economic like including the food and the fuel, all kind of immediate assistance given by the Bharat India only. So like we have a great gratitude for the India, and so the tourism is an immediate source of income for Sri Lanka immediately. So what Sri Lanka government thought, like let's make revenue and economic development to this Sri Lanka tourism sector. So first they initially looked at the India is a source market, because India is having neighboring country and we having so many connectivity flights from majority of the cities like Mumbai, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, Bangalore, Kerala place, Karnataka. So all those places we have an immediate connection, one flight, and also Indigo is operating, Vistara is operating. So the connectivity is so high. So we thought India is a good market to come and like grab some tourism.
Year 2022, how much took for Indian tourism in Sri Lanka?
Yeah, actually, like if you go to the statistics, we always find it the India is a number one for Sri Lanka, which counted about like 60% of the arrivals for 2023 from India, only comparing to the Europe country. So those days Sri Lanka is very known popular destination for the Europe and German and all those places. Now India is leading, and then Russian and the Chinese also were supporting on the tourism as well.
Any special offer about India tourism?
Well, we have done like quite a lot of special offer by like now India we getting Indian passengers getting the free visa on arrival. They don't need to pay for a visa, even they don't need to apply actually. They just come and on arrival they produce a passport and immediately 30 days given a visa. That was extended from the last year from the November onwards. So that has been there for almost 8 months. So that's a great opportunity for Sri Lankan special offer, and also the hotel is also giving a very special offers for to attract and also to develop the MICE market also for the Indian travelers, because it is a close destination. And also we are getting into like a Ramayan programs. That's the most significant area which we need to look into that. So we are very much collectively working with the government of Uttar Pradesh, Ministry of Culture, and also the Sri Lankan Ministry of Culture and the Tourism is very much involving on the Ramayana project developments also. And also we recently conducted the Gita Mahotsav, which was 3 days workshop. It was organized by the Ministry of Culture and the Buddha Sasana, and that was happened in Colombo. In Colombo, it was happened in Colombo about a couple of months back. That was a good event to attract more like Yatra people. Thank you.